Your resident Bulakenyo in Manila, and today I am going to share with you a quick and simple makeup look just for everyday. And yeah, let's just get started. Okay, so I already have like my basic skincare on. I'm just going to add a little bit extra petroleum jelly on my lips just to prep it for the lip color that I'm going to put on. Next, I am going to go for a BB cream just for daily use. The one that I'm going to use is BBholic by iWhite3. I am in the shade beige. So I'm going to use my fingers to apply it and then a makeup sponge to make sure that there aren't any pieces. So after I put on the BB cream, the next step I do is to put on a cream blush. This is my customized lip junk blush from Elana Minerals Cosmetics, and it is just like a golden dark berry shade that I really like to use. I usually go for some kind of contour stick, and for this one I'm just going to use Fashion 21's foundation stick in the shade Warmth. Now I have all the cream products on my face. I am going to set it with powder. So for my brows today, I'm going to use a new discovery. This is What's Up Brow Tinted Eyebrow Pencil Wax by Snowy Beauty. For my eyes, I'm going to use the Blythe Face Palette in the shade Eclipse. And I'm just going to use the gold shade and the brown shade in the palette. So once I have the eyeshadow on, I go with the black eyeliner and I tightline. Tightlining, I curl my lashes and apply mascara. Today's mascara is just going to be Maybelline Hyper Curl, just for that natural long lash. So for this look, I am going to go for a liquid lipstick. This is EB Advances liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. So that's it, guys, for my simple everyday makeup look. Thank you so much for watching, and please do like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye!